afternoon, everyone. It is Mitchell, aka The Walker in Orlando, and welcome back over to Disney's Animal Kingdom. It's the beginning of the year, which only means one thing: back to pin trading adventures. So we're back over here to do some pin trading here at Animal Kingdom. We do have our sets like we normally do, so I'll make sure to show you guys what we are starting with today. But make sure you guys do hang out with us today as we finally make it back to the parks for the first time in 2024, doing some pin trading. And per usual with one of our pin trading adventures, I will be putting up anywhere we stop. I'll be putting a map, an arrow pointing to it. I'll show you guys the board as much as I can, show you guys what we trade for, and at the very end, show you what we have traded. So first stop will be out here right at the front of the park, right once you get in, off to the right. So usually the first stop will be at the Garden Gate Gifts, which is right next to where Stroller and ECV wheelchair rental is, but their board does not have very many on. Kayla actually said it has very limited. So as you kind of come into the Discovery Island, the middle area here at Animal Kingdom, there are going to be 2 pin stops, but also if you're looking for the main pin shop, it's going to be at Riverside Depot. Here's where you can find any of your mystery packs, your new pin releases, anything else. That's where you'll go into if you're looking for more of your pin things. And then connected to the Riverside Depot is Discovery Trading Company. And in here you're going to find, usually they'll have a mystery Mickey board right in here off to the left. Only downside is, so the one that we were just trying to go to was super busy. Here we're going to try right outside the Island Mercantile, but there are a lot of people standing around this one too. So we were lucky in that one where we got ourselves a good Dumbo 2024 pin. Dumbo's been on all of the pins I've seen so far. We had the 6-pack that we bought that he was on here, and then this is coming from the starter pin set as well. All right, one more try back to Discovery Trading Company to try to check out this pin board.
How you doing? Doing good.
And luckily, even though we came back over here to check that board out, we were able to get something off of it. And Kayla got the little puzzle piece from the Animal Kingdom's secret box set. So nice. It's actually pretty cool. I like these puzzle piece sets, except for the fact that a lot of them only have 1, maybe 2 in them, unlike when you do the Munchling sets, which have to get up to 5 in them at a time. I'm always interested to see if they have anything brand new in the cases. So these are like the limited edition ones that they have. A lot of these we've seen multiple times already. See if there's anything on the back side. Anything new over here? Nothing really. They do have some of the X-Men stuff and Marvel first appearances, but really nothing else. They have the same arcade ones that we've seen quite a lot. So nothing quite new as of recent. So they do have a Happy New Year's one with Max and Goofy in the Magic Kingdom, it looks like. And they do have Figment as the Fig Newton. They have Hat Day 2024, Robin Hood, and Sword in the Stone. Alright, into Dinoland USA for a couple pin trading spots. Now they do have the big pin trading truck, but I feel like I wish they had the whole truck was pin tradable instead of just the one Mickey spot. Come right outside of Restaurant Lounge, right here where you can get some drinks. There's actually have a pin board out. Last time we came out, it was a dinosaur theme board. And then right out of Chester Hester's Dinosaur Treasures, you have the world's largest pin truck. But I wish the whole thing like this was completely tradable. Okay, so here are the 4 that we traded at the pin trading truck, which has been so far the best stop because you got this Bo Peep one, there's Gadget's Go Coaster, which is in Disneyland, Brother Bear, and the Raven from Sleeping Beauty for Maleficent's Raven. So I was just telling Kayla, I said I think that this year for D23 and I think it's September, I think that will announce when Dino Land here at Animal Kingdom will be going away in favor of the South America theme land that they're thinking of bringing here. So we'll be sad to see this kind of go, but I think it's about time. It's kind of ran its course. It's ready to try something new. Now kind of walking into the area at the base of Expedition Everest right here, because right before Expedition Everest, if you're coming from Dailan off to the right where that umbrella is, there's usually another pin board right there. Well, normally this is the area where they would put the pin board right here outside of Expedition Everest. However, sometimes if a pin board is not outside, sometimes they move it inside to the gift shop. So we're gonna go to the gift shop at the exit of Expedition Everest.
I unfortunately do not speak Portuguese, even though I do speak French. Oh, so
That's funny.
I always get into situations as an
Well, here's another good pin board we were able to trade with. So we got, it seems like this like villain series. This villain series is very popular. Then and then this Mickey ribbon that Kayla found, and then another Maleficent Mickey head. So another good set. So we went from having really no luck to we just had to get into the park to find good luck. So it was pretty interesting. We were talking, Kayla ended up talking to the cast member at the pin board because they were part of the Wilderness Explorer thing. And what they said is that, so at the base there, they have Yetis you look around to get your Yeti badge. But what they said is that when they were trying, they were having a hard time putting it in because they wanted to respect the culture and everything, that they had to tell the people that,
Yetis are not supposed to.
yeah, they had to tell them we're not putting this in for people to worship, because the Yeti is not supposed to be worshipped by the people who live in Nepal and everything because of that. So it's pretty interesting that they had to be like super like, we're not having people worship them, we're just putting them in as decoration and as for the Wilderness Explorer Club group that they have. So that's pretty unique. I didn't actually know that until the person told us. Alright, into the Africa section, because right over here they have the pin station, and at the pin station they do have a pin board we're going to take a quick look at.
See you, Christian. See you.
You have the pins.
So this one right here, this sweater, the King Triton sweater, part of the very popular Christmas sweater series that they had for a while that people complained about due to the, like, getting multiples of the same one. And then this little Star Wars one. So good ones actually. Sometimes if you're really lucky, right outside of the Tusker House restaurant, right over here, they sometimes will have a board kind of next to where the stand is right there. But I think it only depends on the days where you have more cast members and it's not quite as busy in the park as well. Trading in Animal Kingdom is always very weird because this sometimes is where you try and find some of the best pins, but there's not as many locations. Like when you go to Magic Kingdom, there could be anywhere from 10 to 12 boards. Epcot, same thing. Studios, same thing. But when you come here, you're kind of lucky if you have maybe 6 to 7 boards to look at, and so they can have more, but it depends on if they have the cast members to have them out and stuff. So we were lucky with the 2 boards over at the Pin Truck and the one over by Expedition Everest, because we found some really good ones there. Really, there's nothing in Asia, and then you have 3 at the front. So it's good pins, and you sound like good traders, but at the same time, not as many. Well, I hit the camera shop on the way out, and I got this Kronk Spinach Puff cart. So they had these little cart series for a while, and I didn't realize Kronk was on one of them. So glad I found this one on the camera shop.
Spinach puffs.
What did I say?
No, I was just saying it's.
Yeah, it's the Spinach Puffs. It's famous Spinach Puffs. So even though it wasn't a super long trip out, we just wanted to get out of the house a little bit, do some pin trading. As per usual, I'm going to show you guys all of the pins that we got. I'm actually kind of pleased with some of these pins that we actually saw. Like I said, the Kronk Spinach Puff one probably is my favorite pin we got today. So, but you know, it's one of those things. Pin trading is a good thing where if you don't want to do a lot, like for us, we don't ride a lot of rides anymore. We really enjoy like just enjoying the parks. Pin trading is a great way of doing that because for us, we're able to walk around the entire park for the day. So, but hope you guys enjoyed the pin trading adventures. If you want to see more of our pin trading adventures that we've done, check out the playlist right here. Take you to all of our pin tradings we've done so far and possibly more that we have coming up. So, with all that being said, as we do head out from Disney's Animal Kingdom, we will see y'all next time.